In this video, I talk to you how you catch yourself. Do you often find yourself making a commitment to do something, then not doing it and making excuses instead? We tend to do this more often with ourselves than others. We are less likely to break commitments with our clients, co-workers, friends, or family. If we say we will do something, we are pretty sure we will stick to that agreement. Then, what happens when we make commitments to ourselves and then break them? Why do we hold ourselves as less important than others? Think about this. Do you make commitment to yourself like exercising every day or doing some action item on your list that will take you closer to a goal, and then time runs out and you do not do what you said you would do and make excuses, rationalizations and bargaining? You might say, well, I did not walk a half hour today, so I will walk 1 hour tomorrow. Take a look at what commitment you make with yourself that you seem to break a lot. How important are these agreements? Will they make a difference in your life? Will they help you reach your goal? Sometimes all we have to do is one thing every day to move towards our goal. But we even sabotage that small efforts. Catch yourself when you are breaking a commitment. Listen to what you say to yourself each time you talk yourself out of walking. Observe what you do instead of what you commitment to do. Stop when you see your patterns and make a sensible choice to change, to make new choices that will honor your word to yourself and move you closer to your goals. In order to reach your goals, the first thing you need to have is commitment. Without it, you progress from where you are today. Without commitment, there will be no success. A true commitment is a heartfelt promise to yourself, from which you will not give up, no matter what the situations may be. Once you start, there is no stopping until you get there. Yes, there may be some turns in the road, but keeping your self-commitment to your goals will get you there. Someone who is not committed to their own success will see challenges as roadblocks, stopping them from reaching new levels in their lives. But people with commitment will see things differently. One last thing you must remember, that there is a big difference between 99% commitment and 100% commitment. It is that 1% that allow you to have the lesser focus required meeting your goals. When you are only 99% commitment, there is always the possibility of compromising your agenda. You leave yourself open to doubt, and that 1% of doubt can doom your entire project. So, the next time you want to do something different in your life, take the charge. Be bold, make a commitment, take action, and keep doing something every day to move your dream towards into reality. Anyone can do this. Everything is possible. I know it. Do it today. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like it, share it.